Here's a powerful quote to kick things off. The mind is everything. What you think, you become. This was said by none other than Buddha himself. Now let's look at a real-life example of someone who lived this principle, Thomas Edison. He saw failure not as an obstacle but as a stepping stone to his eventual success. He once said, "I have not failed, I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Your mindset, whether positive or negative, shapes your life. It's the narrative you tell yourself about your experiences, your capabilities, and your potential. So let's dive into our first tip. Practice positive affirmations. But before we do, here's your first call to action. Start observing your thoughts. Are they positive or negative? Remember, awareness is the first step towards change. Moving on to positive affirmations, let's start with a quote. Affirmations are our mental vitamins, providing the supplementary positive thoughts we need to balance the barrage of negative events and thoughts we experience daily. This was said by Tia Walker, author of The Inspired Caregiver. And who better to exemplify this principle than Oprah Winfrey, a media mogul and philanthropist. She often shares how she uses affirmations to stay focused and motivated. So here's your call to action. Start your day with a positive affirmation. Repeat it throughout the day. Make it your mantra. Next, we have embrace failure. Here's a quote to ponder. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. These wise words were spoken by Winston Churchill. And a real-life example, J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series. She was rejected by 12 publishers before her work was finally accepted. Your call to action. The next time you face failure, don't shy away. Embrace it, learn from it, grow stronger. Our final tip is, surround yourself with positivity. Here's a quote to inspire you. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. This was said by Jim Rohn, a renowned motivational speaker. And a real-life example, Elon Musk, who once said, surround yourself with people who are going to take you higher. Here's your call to action. Take a look at your circle. Are they fostering positivity or negativity? Remember, you have the power to choose your tribe. To recap, we discussed 3 powerful tips for a positive mindset. Practice positive affirmations, embrace failure, and surround yourself with positivity. These are not just words, they are tools. Weapons you can use in your battle for a better mindset, a better you. Now it's your turn. Which habit do you want to work on first? Remember, the journey to a positive mindset starts with a single step. So take that step today.